great Saturday. Yeah, all right, so I have a couple of things to show you. I have a haul from Michaels and a haul from Walmart and a couple of finished objects that I made. So first of all, I just want to say, if you have not entered my giveaway, please go over there and enter that. I'll be drawing a name on January 1st. So yes, and I want to thank all my new subscribers for subscribing to me. Thank you so much. Welcome to my little YouTube family. I really appreciate it. Now, when someone subscribes to me, I go over to their channel, and if I like their content, I subscribe back. That's just the way I am, all right? And I don't think there's any content that I haven't liked, because I love a lot of things. I'm into a lot of different things. Crafting, outdoorsy stuff, love the dumpster divers, you know, lots of things I'm into. All right, so let's get started. I got my Christmas tree for next year. These are at Michael's are actually $20 Canadian. Can you believe that? 20 bucks Canadian. They had them marked down, like really marked down. I paid $4. And I got two. These are the only two I found. So yes, $4 a piece for those. And then these little guys here, I can't remember exactly how much I paid for these, but aren't they gorgeous? I got two of them. They were like, let's see, it says Canadian money, like in Canadian dollars, $8 for one. But they were marked down, I think, 80% off. So yeah, I got two of those. And guess what? One of these is going in my giveaway, my mystery giveaway. Yippers! All right, so that's that for Michaels. Can you believe it? Actually, no, it's not. No, it's not. I actually bought some yarn there. I bought one skein of yarn. It is Loops and Threads Charisma. 109 yards. It's 100 grams. Use an 8mm hook because it's a bulky 5. It's in the color, what color does it call this? It's machine washable and dryable, which is always good. Oh, the color is dark purple. Okay. There it is. This is the label, backwards, sorry. Minnie. Oh, my little sidekick is chewing on my stuff. Oh, okay. That is the label. And so I made myself a chapeau. I made myself a toque. I did not follow a pattern, I just did it. And this is gonna go with my winter jacket. It's kind of this color. So yeah, I think it turned out great. So that's a finished object. Hang on, gotta get my sidekick out of this bag. Minnie, get out of there. Oh my goodness. She's, she's like the terrible twos, aren't you? She's over 4 months old now. I love you. I love you. But you gotta stay out of my stuff. Okay? Okay, stay out of my stuff. All right, so the next thing was at Walmart. They had a bunch of their stuff on half price. So I got these stickers. They were $1.25 is what I paid for them. Pretty stickers. And let's see, oh yes. And I got this Christmas tree for 50 cents. Kind of a flat one, but that'll be good for a shadow box. And what else? Oh, where is it? Okay, I'm missing something. Oh, there it is. And when I saw this, I just had to have it. This I paid $1.25 for. Isn't that sweet? I just had to have it because I am the crafty yarn owl. So I just loved this. When I saw it, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm taking that. And I got this as well. This was also $1.25. This is a clip on the back, so you can clip it onto something, or you can take that off and glue it. So yeah, I thought that was really pretty. I had a much bigger one in my basket, and then saw these. I thought, oh, I'm gonna go a little smaller. Actually, I should have taken the big one too. I could put it in my front yard in the summer. Oh well. And let's see. And I also got some yarn at Walmart, because I only wanted like a skein of each kind, and so I was able to get that because Walmart, their yarn is so sparse. If you want like 10 balls or something, good luck. I know it's like that everywhere, I've heard. So also, with the yarn that I won from Ola Joe's channel, the Bernat blanket yarn, I made a little blanket for my kitties, and I made this. Yes. Isn't he cute? He has a little tail, and he actually does sit up and stay. So it's pretty cute, cool. I'll put the link in the description box of the tutorial I followed to make this. I did the eyes different on what the tutorial showed because they just had the safety eyes in there, but it was a much smaller bear they were making because they were using a smaller yarn. So I thought, oh, okay, I'll make, you know, bigger eyes for this little guy. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of him. And I have some stuffing to use up, so that helped. All right, so I think that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a fantastic Saturday. Once again, thank you to my new subscribers. And you take care. Have a great weekend. Bye.